Stock market magic here. So, should you invest in American Airlines? Currently, American Airlines is trading for $11.49 per share, which is a quite attractive price. Looking at their 52-week high, we can see they were at right about $35 per share, and their 52-week low went all the way down to $9.09. So obviously with the restrictions in place due to the virus, the airlines have gotten hammered really hard. And I don't see flights of any sort for the next year coming back very strong. If they do open up, I'm sure it's going to be very limited flights. And they'll probably have reduced flights due to social distancing and things. And just travel overall is not going to be as strong in the upcoming year, maybe even a couple of years. So that is something to be very careful about when thinking of investing in any airline stock for that matter. So with American Airlines, they do have quite a bit of debt. They're one of the worst balance sheets out there. For instance, Delta, they have a bit stronger of a balance sheet. They're also a bit bigger of an airline. So American Airlines doesn't have the greatest balance sheet. That being said, for better or for worse, the government is definitely helping them with the bailout. And so I don't think they're going to go bankrupt. I think they're going to have enough funds to get through this. But I do not see them being in the $35 per share range anytime soon within the next year or two. It's going to probably take them a while. And also a good thing to note is their dividend will be cut. So you're not going to see a dividend anytime soon for American Airline or any airline, most likely. So just if you're thinking of investing in American Airlines or any airline, just keep that in mind. If it gets below the $10 range, I might pick up a few shares. I'm not something I would go very heavy in, but I think under $10 it does become fairly attractive. So I may consider picking up a few shares of that. And if you're new to investing, you can download Robinhood, the stock market broker app that I use, and you can get a free bonus stock if you use the link below in the description. I hope this video helps out. Thanks.